Hey everybody. So this is a message for all of my big forehead women, men too. I just felt real led to come and post this video. I know I haven't even posted in a minute, but I just wanted to post this quick video. I'm about to do my lashes real quick actually. But I want to say, stop letting people dictate how you should look. Making you out to be their idol supermodel because you don't look like Holly Berry, or you don't look like you don't look like other people. I know all my life I pretty much got teased about having a big forehead, and guess what? I keep it moving. But what I came to tell you guys, as far as wearing braids with a big forehead, I don't care if your edge is shallow, what have you. My edges are thin. And guess what? I can fill them in. I got a big forehead. I'm fine. I'm proud of it. But what I was coming to tell you guys is that for a long time, I would never wear braids because I was like, you know what? I got a big old forehead and it's not going to look right on me. Do you know what? Now, I threw these crochet braids in here and I love them. And guess what? I'm going to rock them. I'm going to keep wearing them. And I'm about to throw my lashes on. I'm about to call it a day. See, the thing is, we need to stop allowing what people think and say about us. We have to stop allowing their opinion to dictate how we will live our lives. This day and time, I read a comment the other day on YouTube. And I'm always in the comment section because I just like to hear what the next person may have to say. So I'm in the comment section the other day, and it was a wig video I was watching. And the lady said, all of this new created stuff out here on the market, and women still out here looking busted. At first, I was like, that's pretty wrong, but you know what? It's real. If your hair won't grow, buy some. Your lashes don't grow, buy you some. Fingernails don't grow, you can go buy you some. Nowadays, they have the men, they've been having toupees. You can ask your president, Donald Trump, about that, but that's neither here nor there. But they have the beards for the men, the weave, tops, all of that. And I'm not saying I really like that, but hey, you got to do whatever it is you like. At the same time, I'm just saying, just trying to make a quick video real quick. All I'm saying is that if you've been scared to wear certain styles because you have a big head, let me be the first to tell you to please let that go. Do what makes you feel good about yourself. And honestly, y'all, I'm trying to put this lash on while I'm talking. But honestly, really, it's not even about the hairstyle. It's not even about your big forehead or nothing like that. It's all about the confidence level that you have when you're rocking those type of styles. Because if your confidence level is up, that's key. You're in a win-win scenario right there. Because that's all you need. Because attitude is key. Attitude is key. Remember that. It's the best attitude. It's key. Not a nasty attitude. Remember that. But hey, wear your hair how you like it. And if you've been afraid to wear braids, you see this girl with this big forehead. I got them in, and they're looking cute. Might I add, let me show you what I put in here. I went and got Freetress. It's called Wavy Gypsy Locks, 18-inch. It's 36 pieces in the pack. So I use 3 packs. I just finished my hair. I like it. Let me turn around. I like it. About to put this other lash on. And I'm about to call it a day. I'm about to go outside with my long braids. Be so happy. Let them swing and everything. But y'all keep y'all confidence level up. All right. Have a blessed one. Thank you. Bye.